a door on this curtain wall, I have to select one of these. So when I select here, it helps me to change the type of wall in which I want to insert there. Hello everyone, I always welcome you to the course. My name is Jan Asui and the name of my channel is Infinity Board Console. Please subscribe for updates video. Hi everyone, it's Infinity Board Consult here. On this episode, we are going to learn how to put doors on curtain walls in Revit. So guys, let's move into our working area. So this is the working area. As you can see, we have the cardinal point here, the north, the south and the east elevations here. So we are going to draw a wall, a simple wall here, and try and put our curtain walls inside. So I'm going to do a sketch here. So you have to pick your walls. Escape, delete this one, pick my walls. So you just draw a wall like this. This curtain wall, then you place your curtain wall. So right now, after you've made your sketch here, or you've made your walls here, this is how it looks like in 3D. So you come back to your level 1. So we are going to try and place in doors. So you have to pick door, and you check the doors in which you have. So these are the only doors we have. So I'll try and place one door here and another door here. But immediately I come to the curtain wall, it doesn't allow me, and then it has been cancelled. So how do I put a door on this curtain wall? I have to select one of these. So when I select here, it helps me to change the type of wall in which I want to insert there. So I can do an empty, I can do a glazing, I can do a solid, and also I can insert a wall there. So when I come to the 3D, this is how it looks like. So we are going to insert a door in our curtain wall today. So I'll change from here to an empty side. After that, I'll come to my insert button and come to load. So I'll come to doors and search for curtain wall. We have series of curtain wall. So I'm going to use the curtain wall single glass and do open. So after that, I'll select this area and search for my glazing door, which was the curtain wall single door. Then I can now insert my door here, and I come to the 3D. Because they have the same color, you are not going to see, and when you come to the plan, you see it here. So let me explain how I did it. I'll unpin this one and change it to empty. After that, I'll click on the same area and insert my door. I can also flip my door like this. So guys, this is how to put a door on a curtain wall, or how to place in a door on a curtain wall. If you are not part of the family, kindly hit on the subscription button. Give us a comment. Any video that you want us to record for you, just comment at the comment section box. We have a lot of videos at the description button, so subscribe and be part of the family. Peace, shalom, bye.